Hello children, I welcome you all in the online studies. So today our subject is EVS for the third standard, and already in the last video we have seen the environment, about the environment. We have seen the video also. If you remember, have you remembered that? Okay, so I hope you all the ideas about the environment are clear. So today we will move further in the lesson again. I'm going to ask you some questions and you are going to answer me that question orally only. We will not write anything in this video, but as a study we are going to continue our writing also in the next video. Okay, so I hope you all have brought 4 lines notebook for start of the writing, because in third standard we are using 4 lines notebook for EVS. Okay, so whatever we have learned, whatever we have seen in the last video, we will see next what is the questions orally about it. So EVS 1 subject, lesson number 1, our environment. What's the solution? You are going to suggest me the solution on it, which is related to your study and it is related to everyone. So there are lot of unused pages in last year's notebook, isn't it? Yes, everyone is having some last year's notebooks pages remaining, the pages which are blank in the notebook. They must not get wasted. We should not be waste the pages. So what can we do not to waste for that? Suggest me some answers. So we can make another notebook by cutting its pages and sticking it again. Another notebook from it. This is my answer. But if you want to make another activity, like if you want to make a craft notebook, if you want to make it as a new notebook, the rough notebook to use or to write homework also, you can also make. So we can make another notebook from it by cutting that waste pages. Again we will stick it together and we can make another notebook which will be useful in our studies. Okay, so another activity now also I am going to give you. That activity is interesting and you will complete that activity in your drawing notebook. So draw a picture of a spider's web. Found out why a spider weaves a web. Write the information you get. So I know that everyone have observed the spider's web in your house also. Sorry. So spider's web which you observe in your house, outside the house. So observe that how the spider weave that web. Why the spider is weaving that web? Just to catch its food. So what is the food of the spider? Small insects again. Spider is eating small insects. So observe that spider's web and draw as it is in your drawing notebook. This is your activity, and whatever your observation, how he weaves its web, that also you have to write under it in 2-3 lines only, not more than that. This is your EVS lesson number 1, first activity. So you are going to complete it? Yes. Next question. Think and tell. Think and tell. So you are going to tell the answers now. What are the uses of cotton? Suggest me some answer. What are the uses of cotton? Where we are using it? We use cotton to make thread, and from thread we make clothes. To make clothes, we use cotton to make clothes. And the so many things we can also make, showpieces also, so many showpieces also we can make with the help of cotton. And if you have observed that in medicinal use also cotton we are using, whatever in a, if you have a first aid box, in that first aid box also the cotton is there to wipe out any wound. Okay, so cotton basically it is used in so many places. The company, the industries, the clothes industries, wherever the cotton seeds are there, in the cotton they are taking out this cotton seeds and they are making the nutritious food for the animal also, just like cows and buffaloes, because that food help the cow and buffalo to give milk. Okay, so many uses are there of the cotton. So the next question, that is, what are the chappals made from? You are also having chappals at home, everyone. So it may be different. Everyone's chappal will be different. So what are the chappal is made from? You are going to observe it. So many types of chappal we are seeing. Some chappals are made by leather. Some of the chappals are made by plastic also, plastic coating. Some of the chappals are made by soft plastic also, soft rubber also we can say. Rubber is also used to make chappal. So it is depend on how we are using the chappal. Okay. Observe your chappal, write your own answer. No need to write, means we are not going to write this question, but just observation is necessary in EVS. Next question, if there is a loud noise nearby. Nearby means close to it. What will a sparrow do? And what will a stone do? So while learning the lesson, in the previous lesson already we have learned the example of sparrow and stone. If you remember, we have seen the sparrow is living thing and the stone is non-living thing. So the example is here. If the sparrow heard the loud noise nearby, what will be the sparrow do? So the sparrow will fly away from there. Sparrow will immediately fly away from the place. And if you have seen the stone, when the loud noise comes from the stone, what the stone will do? The stone will remain as it is on its place. Why? Because the stone is non-living thing. The stone is non-living thing. That is why the stone cannot change its place. So the stone will be there only. It will be there whether the noise is loud, whether the noise is soft. It will not affect on the stone because stone is non-living thing. But it will not happen with the sparrow. Wherever the loud sound, the loud noise will heard by the sparrow, that time the sparrow will fly away from that place. If you don't understand this question, then observe the sparrow outside your window. You will come to know. If you shout loudly, the sparrow and the crow will fly from there. Next question. What does a house lizard eat? I hope you may have observed the lizard. Do you have a lizard at your house? If you don't have, again observe it. Somewhere you will find. It can be in your society, it can be in your parking, it can be on anywhere, on any wall. Observe the lizard and try to find out what the lizard eat. So the lizard eat the small insect. Lizard eats the small insect. If you want to know more about the lizard, you can also watch the Discovery Channel. On the Discovery Channel, we can see more information related to animals. So, lizard eats small insect. Observe it. Next one is make a list of the things in your house that are made of wood. That are made of wood means you are going to observe the wooden furniture from your house. So what are the wooden furniture we use at the house? It can be cupboard, door. Everyone's door is made up of wood. Chair, sometimes the armchair. Chairs are also made by wood. So it can be a different answer because so many people are having different wooden furnitures. So whatever wooden furniture is available at your house, that only you are going to answer. If someone asks you the question what is meant by wooden furniture, that time you should be able to answer it. Next question, name the animal that feed on mice. So you are going to suggest me this answer. Feed on mice means what? The animal which eat mice. Mouse, rat. Which animal eats rat? Tell me the answer. Yes, the snake. Again, snake also eats mice. Then vulture also we can say. Then cat. Cat also eat mice. Nice. And then vulture and sometimes dogs are also catching the mice and eating it. But most famous animals which eat mice are snakes and cat. Okay, so that's why from the nursery also we come to know always mice are frightened by the cat. Okay, so these are the uh, oral questions that are available in our exercise also. We are not going to write anything in the video, but just observe the previous video, introductory video, then the lessons video, then this video, and just from this all the videos you will come to know about the first lesson, that is our environment. And whatever are given in that video, just try to understand it. I hope all the ideas are clear from the videos. So in the next video we are going to start writing of it. Okay, so if you are having textbook, just go through it. If you don't have textbook, again observe all the videos carefully. Okay, so be happy, take care.